Well, we grew up in Manhattan on the West Side in the upper on the in the 90s, and actually it was kind of an interesting story when my father came to the United States from Morocco. He came in 1940, and he left Morocco because he was told by some friends in the Canadian embassy that he better get out of Morocco because the Vichy government was pretty active, and he was helping Jews out of France and trying to get away from France. And so he just packed everything up, and they sailed off to the United States. And originally, they had visas for Canada through the Canadian embassy. Apparently they couldn't get a visa to the United States, but they went on a ship going to New York, and they got off in New York. And he had been actually to New York previously, and I think in 1929, and so he got there, and they were in a small apartment on the West Side in the probably in the 90s, and he had a visit from the immigration people, and he describes how at that time, I guess I was probably about a year old. My brother was 5 years old. We had a little room. I was in my crib, and my brother was in perhaps a small daybed. And above my crib, he had put up a huge American flag. And so the immigration guys came in, and they said, your papers are not in order. And he says, well, you can take me, but take a look at them. You're not taking them. They stay here. So he probably helped grease their motivation and let us stay. But that's sort of how he kind of undocumented alien for sure.